Hi guys, it's me, Bobby. Welcome back to Bobby's channel. I have an important guest today.
Hi guys, it's Chris from Hobby Master 12. We're gonna open up some boxes today. We're gonna open up some more boxes.
Yeah.
So these four are from Walgreens. So here we have the Superior Spider-Man. And here we have the Marvel Spider-Girl. And here we have Spider-Man Big Time Suit. And underneath that we have Gwenpool. And here we have the Marvel Captain America 75th anniversary, and underneath it we have Infinity War Marvel Captain America, known as AKA Nomad, and here we have Kid Captain America 75th anniversary.
We have the box lunch Iron Spider from the Infinity War, and we also have Tony Stark without a suit on. We have the classics Iron Man, and we also have the Civil War Iron Man also.
Subscribe to my channel, Hobby Master 12, so as Instagram. And what I do is I fly RC helicopters, RC planes, RC cars, and RC trains.
Bye guys, this was a perfect video today. Thanks for watching. Bye. So
It's recording, right?
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Oh boy. Big open.